Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine at your home with your family, and also hope that you are doing your studies very well. Today, we are going to continue with our chapter Air, chapter number 4 of Geography Air. In our previous videos, we have done what is atmosphere, composition of atmosphere, then structure of atmosphere, then weather and climate, and temperature. Today we will continue with the topic air pressure. So open page number 24. Let's start. Air pressure. Air pressure. Beta, you will be surprised to know that air exerts pressure with a great force on our body. However, we don't feel this pressure, and the reason is that our body also exerts a counter pressure. This is the reason that the pressure exerted by air is not felt by us. Now, what is air pressure, or what do you mean by air pressure? Air pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the earth's surface. जो एयर अर्थ के सरफेस पर अपना प्रेशर डालती है, that is known as air pressure. As we go up the layers of atmosphere, we all know there are 5 layers of atmosphere. तो जैसे जैसे हम layer by layer we go up, the pressure falls rapidly. Your air pressure that decreases. Reason is that because the topmost layer, that is exosphere, the air present there is thin. Helium and hydrogen gases are found there, and we all know that these are light gases. The air pressure is highest at sea level. Where is the pressure is highest? At sea level, and decreases with the height. As we go upwards, it starts decreasing. Horizontally, the distribution of air pressure is influenced by temperature of air at a given place. The air pressure is influenced by the temperature of at a given place. It depends whether the air pressure will be high or low. It all depends upon the temperature of that place. Suppose the temperature is high in some area. What will happen? The air gets heated and rises. Air garam ho jayegi, and when air gets heated, it becomes light in weight. उसका weight light हो जाता है, and it starts rising. Then वो ऊपर उठना शुरू कर देती है. This create a low pressure area. Then वहाँ पे जो area develop होता है, that is known as low pressure area, and low pressure area is associated with cloudy skies and wet weather. When there is low pressure area, you will experience cloudy skies and wet weather. In areas having lower temperature, where temperature is low, the air is cold and the cool air is always heavy. So heavy air can't rise. It sinks कि नीचे रहती है and creates a high pressure area. Low pressure area is created by light air, hot air, when air gets heated. And what about high pressure area? It is created by heavy air. So high pressure is associated with clear and sunny skies. When you are in the place where air pressure is high, you will experience that the sky is clear and sunny. the air always moves from high pressure areas to low pressure area. The movement of air always it is from high pressure areas to low pressure area. It can be your internal as fill up. The area always move from dash area to dash areas, or the air always moves from dash pressure areas to dash pressure areas. Then the answer will be high pressure areas to low pressure areas. See, there is a box. What it is written? Do you know? On the moon there is no air, hence no air pressure. When there is no air pressure will be there. Then what will happen? The astronauts who are going there, they have to wear special protective space suits, and these suits are filled with air. Why? Because if there is no air pressure but our body is exerting pressure, then if there is no counter pressure, then what will happen? Our blood vessels will burst and the astronauts would bleed. That's why, to prevent these things to happen, they have to wear protective space suits. Now, wind. A wind is named after the direction from which it blows. एक विंड को नाम दिया जाता है उस डायरेक्शन से, जिस डायरेक्शन से वो बह रही है. इफ इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम वेस्ट, देन इट इज कॉल्ड वेस्टर्ली. इफ इट इज ब्लोइंग फ्रॉम ईस्ट, इट विल कॉल्ड ईस्टर्ली. सो द मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर एरिया टू लो प्रेशर एरियाज इज कॉल्ड विंड. जो हवा की मूवमेंट है फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर एरिया टू लो प्रेशर एरिया इज कॉल्ड विंड. You can see wind at work. How can you can't see wind, but you can see wind at work. कि wind is blowing. How? When it blows, dry leaves down. When it blows, the dry leaves from the trees fall down. The pavement पे रास्ते पर गिर जाते हैं और uproots the trees during a storm. If the winds are of high velocity, if it means there तूफान है, वहाँ पर storm है, then sometimes trees are also uprooted. Trees जड़ से उखड़ जाते हैं. Sometimes when the wind blows gently, you can even see it blowing away smoke or fine dust. You have seen कि when sometimes wind blows very gently, very slowly, you will feel fine dust is also blowing with it. At times, wind can be so strong, or sometimes wind can be so strong that it is difficult to walk against it. If the direction of the wind and in the direction you are going are opposite, then you will have to use your force to move forward. Suppose you are cycling and the direction in which you are going and the same direction wind is blowing, then you need not have to use much force. You can easily pedal your cycle. But if the direction in which you are going and the wind is coming from opposite direction, then you have to use much force to move forward. अगर आप साइकिल चला रहे हैं और आपके ही डायरेक्शन में हवा चल रही है, देन इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू मूव. आपको उतना जोर नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा साइकिल चलाने के लिए. बट इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट, इफ द जो हवा है उसका जो डायरेक्शन है दैट इज अपोजिट टू यू, देन यू हैव टू यूज मच फोर्स. ठीक है? यू मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस. इट इज नॉट ईजी टू होल्ड एन अम्ब्रेला ऑन अ विंडी डे. आपने ये भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा कि अगर हवा तेज चल रही है देन आप अम्ब्रेला भी नहीं पकड़ पाते हो ढंग से. थिंक ऑफ सम अदर एग्जाम्पल्स व्हेन स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स हैव क्रिएटेड प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर यू. सो नाउ विंड्स कैन बी ब्रॉडली डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 टाइप्स: permanent winds, seasonal winds and local winds. What do you mean by permanent winds? Beta, trade winds westerlies and easterlies are the permanent winds. These winds blow constantly through the year in a particular direction. Their direction is fixed. They don't change their direction. But in contrast, seasonal winds, these winds change their directions in different seasons. For example, monsoons in India. And what about local winds? Local winds are those winds that blows during a particular period of the day or year in a small area. For example, land and sea breeze. And in summer, you have heard about Loo, the hot and dry local wind of northern plains of India. It is called Loo. It is very hot wind, and your mother used to say don't go outside when Loo is blowing because she says you will fall ill. So the hot wind that blows in northern place of India, that is called Loo. See, this is cyclone, nature's fury. Cyclones are a type of strong wind, tufan, that causes huge loss of life and property. Odisha, located on the eastern sea coast of India, is prone to cyclones. This is the area where cyclones occurs regularly, that originate in the Bay of Bengal. Today we are going to talk about the cyclone that came on 17-18 October 1999. It hit 5 districts of the state, Orissa. Another super cyclone occurred after the 9 days, 29 October 1999, that devastated large portion of the state. The damages caused were mainly due to 3 factors. What are the factors? Wind velocity, the speed of wind, then rain, and the tidal surge. Tidal surge means sea waves. The winds of up to 260 kilometers. At that time, the speed of the wind was 260 kilometers per hour, and that lasted for over 36 hours. 36 hours तक ये जो हवा थी, that was blowing in this speed. These high velocity winds uprooted trees and damaged the कच्चा houses. Trees uproot कर दिए, कच्चा हाउस डैमेज हो गए, रूफ टॉप्स ऑफ सेवरल इंडस्ट्रियल शेड्स एंड अदर हाउसेज वर ऑल्सो ब्लोन अवे. Power supply and telecom lines snapped completely. Everything was disturbed. Telephone lines, power supply, water supply, everything was disconnected at that time. Heavy rain occurred under the influence of the cyclone for 3 days continuously. 3 दिन तक लगातार बारिश होती रही, and these rains led to flooding in the major rivers of Odisha. और जो उड़ीसा की मेजर रिवर्स थी वो ओवर फ्लडेड हो गई, ओवरफ्लो हो गई, एंड जो उनका आसपास का एरिया था दैट वाज फ्लडेड, एंड द साइक्लोनिक विंड्स कोज्ड द टाइडल वेव्स दैट स्वेप्ट 20 किलोमीटर्स inland and brought massive destruction to the coastal area. The cyclonic winds, the velocity of the wind, उसकी वजह से जो सी वेव्स थी वो कोस्टल एरिया में 20 किलोमीटर तक अंदर आ गई, और उसकी वजह से जो है कोस्टल एरिया में बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान हुआ. द 7 to 10 मीटर हाई, जो उनका वेव्स की जो हाइट थी दैट वाज 7 to 10 मीटर, इंट्रूडेड सडनली, अचानक से आई, एंड कोज्ड मासिव डैमेज टू द स्टैंडिंग पैडी क्रॉप्स. और जो वहाँ पर चावल की फसल थी आसपास, पैडी की जो फसल थी उसको बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ था. सो आई होप दिस इज इनफ फॉर टुडे. If there is any confusion, any doubt, you can call me anytime. Till then, goodbye.